Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider, show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today I've got something from the United States. This is a box from Vite Ramen. They make healthy ramen. And I'm telling you, it's healthy. Let's crack it open and look inside. Whoa! It's been a few years since I first heard of Vite Ramen. I heard it from a Kickstarter, actually, where they did quite well. They wanted to make a tasty noodle, and they wanted to make it healthy, and they succeeded in that. So we'll check out these, and there's some special new stuff in here from what I hear. Here is their new, well, kind of new, Fly by Jing Szechuan Chili Edition. It's like it has Szechuan chili crisp in it, which is different. It's if you don't know, you might have heard of Laogan Ma, and this is a different brand, and it's a healthier chili crisp, and it's a healthier noodle. So let me tell you what show you what I'm talking about here. Let's zoom in on this right here. Now, you can see right here, it's, where did my finger go? There it is. It's 500 calories. But look at the amount of protein. And look at the amount of sodium. And look at all this. It's like a complete meal replacement and a protein drink. And it's got loads of fiber. I mean, it's very complete. This is, they're not screwing around. You know, they are like giving you like a complex set of vitamins, minerals, protein, carbs, and fiber. It's very complete. I'm impressed by that. Another thing that I am impressed with is, look right here. See that? It's version 1.2. They're always upgrading and working on making it taste better, more healthy, and I think that's really neat, you know? This is their roasted soy sauce chicken flavor, and I'm pretty sure I really liked this one last time I had it. And then here's their grilled ribeye beef. That sounds pretty good. And this is their garlic pork tonkatsu. And their vegan white miso. It looks like they changed the names on some of these since I've had them, that's cool. Yeah, that's cool. So one thing that I'm really happy about is these guys like to send me prototypes, and I love doing prototypes. That's like a real honor to be able to get sent noodles that haven't been put out, aren't ready to go yet, but they entrust me to like give them my opinion. I'm honored. Thank you. So what do we got here? Here's a bag. It says updated instructions on back. There's the instructions. Slurp away. Okay. And here, let's look at these first. You can just get their noodle blocks. Here's the noodle blocks. They're just called Naked Nudes. Or Naked Nudes. That's pretty cool. And yeah, there's a sachet that has the all the protein and vitamins and all that stuff in it. But it looks like here you're getting, let's see, one noodle block is 400 calories. There's a bit of fat. There's a lot of protein. Wow. There's 23 grams of protein in one noodle block. There's a lot of vitamins. There's a lot of fiber. Yeah. Sodium in one noodle block is 5 milligrams. And then these are the new ones. So let's see what we got here. Looks like there's a couple varieties. Generation 3 test. Ooh, what's this all about? Does it have a different... they're just labeling it with the same one. So this is a new generation of their vegan white miso. This is their garlic tonkatsu and their roasted soy sauce chicken. Wow, cool. I am on it. I'm totally on it. Thank you so much. Well, cool. Thank you for everything here, guys. This is a lot to review. This is going to be a lot of fun. Sorry if you heard a lot of screaming and yelling in the background. This was the only time I had to like do this unboxing, and my daughter doesn't like bath time and getting her hair washed, so Nobody's dying. It's all good. But hey, thank you very much. Go visit viteramen.com if you want to check out these and give them a try. And yeah, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.